Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to turn the wheel when reversing. Mastering this skill improves your driving confidence and safety. We'll cover the fundamental principles, ensuring you understand how your vehicle responds. Pay close attention to your surroundings and mirror usage. This guide will help you reverse smoothly and accurately every time you need to back up. When reversing, the steering wheel's action is counterintuitive compared to forward driving. To move your vehicle's rear to the left, turn the wheel to the left. Conversely, turning the wheel to the right will guide the rear of your car to the right. Remember, small, precise movements are key. Oversteering can quickly lead to losing control of your intended path. If you're finding these reversing tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more driving guides. All this focus can be thirsty work. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the amazing O-Ala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your water cold during long practice sessions. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Consistent practice is essential for becoming proficient at reversing. Find a large, empty parking lot or a quiet street to hone your skills. Set up some cones or use existing parking lines to create a simulated reversing course. Always proceed at a very slow speed, allowing you ample time to react and correct your steering. This builds muscle memory and confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.